Our next task is to check all the thermostats and make sure they all work and make sure that we clean them out and dust them. Because if there's dust in them, sometimes they cannot run as well.
The sensors get messed up in there, especially with some of the newer ones. Ours are old and ours are actually wired to the house. So we'll kind of show you a little bit what that looks like as Becca takes that cover plate off. Sometimes there's a lot of dust and dirt that gets up in there, so you're gonna want to blow it out,
Ours
vacuum it.
specifically is wired into our house, which yours might be different. So there's probably some owner's manuals or stuff that you can look up to make sure you do it correctly. Ours is hooked to a toe heater, so it'll pop it right on. And it's working, so that's good.
You can hear clearly that ours works. Find out where the heat comes from and make sure that it does kick on and it works properly, and that's what you're gonna wanna do with each thermostat, is go around and make sure that not only that this is clean, but that your heat is working properly. And if not, we're gonna have to get that taken care of.